Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be constructing an angle of 45 degree. So for 45 degree, obviously we'll be needing 90. Bisecting it further, what will I get is 45 degree. So first we will construct 90 degree. For construction of 90 degree, we'll construct a ray, say OA. For 90 degree, we all know, we have seen earlier. If not, you can check it in my playlist. We'll come to know how to construct 90 degree. But still, I'll give a recap of it. For 90 degree, we'll need what? Okay, let's see. We need 60 plus 30. That means first we will construct 60 and then we will construct 30 by bisecting 60 further. Right? Now from O, we'll cut an arc of any radius and let it meet the ray at point C. With the same arc, cut another arc like this. Fine. With the same radius, cut another arc which will meet the previous arc, let's say at D. This is 60 degree. Fine. Now I need another 60 to make 30. From D point, from this point, I will cut another arc with the same radius which I had used previously. So this is 60 plus 60. Now this much is 60. Let me name it as E. DE is 60. So I will bisect DE to give me 30 degree. So how will I bisect it? I will take little more than half, cut an arc from D with the same radius, cut an arc from E. Now what I will get is 90 degree. Yes, this is 90. Let me mark this again as F. So CF is the measure of 90 degree. So if I want to bisect, which arc I need to bisect? I need to bisect CF further to give me 45 degree. So where will I put my pointer? At C and at F. So if I have to bisect any arc, what is the rule behind it? Take little more than half of that arc. This CF is the arc representing 90. I will do one thing. I will take little more than half. So this is little more than half. You can take little more than half. This way, little more than half. Not less than half, not equal to half. It has to be little more than half. So CF is the portion which need to be bisected to give me 45. I'll take little more than half and put my pointer at C. Cut an arc from C with the same radius. Do not move that. With the same radius from F. Be very careful. Cut another arc to meet the previous arc. This is the point of intersection which I will join with vertex O. Okay. Now I can name this as AOF. I've already named. I can name it at GH whatever. So AOG, this portion is the bisection of 90 degrees. So this will be 45 and this will also be 45. Fine. So angle AOG will be 45 degree. How you got 45? You bisected 90. And for making 90, what you needed? You needed 60 and 30. For 30, what you needed? You needed 60. So apply your logic. You need not learn constructions. You need to understand the logic behind it and you can do it on your own. I hope this is clear to you. And if you like my channel, like my explanation, please do like, subscribe and do comment. Thank you so much.